In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio waveform overlay in Clipchamp. This is a fantastic way to add a dynamic visual element to your videos, making them more engaging to your audience. Let's get started. First things first, open your web browser and search for Clipchamp. Once you've found it, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up and then log in. It's a simple process, but essential before we move forward. Once logged in, you'll want to create a new video project. This is where all the magic will happen. Look for the option to create a new project and select it, which will lead you straight to Clipchamp's video editor interface, where everything should now be ready for you to start importing your media. Next up, locate the Import Media button within Clipchamp's interface. Click this button, and you'll be prompted to select the video and audio files you wish to use. You can upload these files directly from your computer, or, if you prefer, from your OneDrive account. It's all about what's most convenient for you. Once your files are uploaded, it's time to start working with them on the timeline. Simply drag and drop your video onto the timeline, ensuring that it's in the primary position. Then, take your audio file and place it directly below your video on the timeline. This setup is crucial as it ensures the audio and video are synced and ready for the visual overlay. Moving forward, direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar and navigate to the Content Library. This is the treasure trove of multimedia elements you can add to your project. Among these, find the drop-down menu for Visuals and then select Overlays. In this next step, you'll be looking for the Audio Visualizer. It should be readily accessible as a shortcut, but if you don't see it right away, use the search bar to find it. Once located, drag and drop the visualizer overlay onto a new track on your timeline, positioning it above your existing video and audio tracks. With the visualizer now part of your project, click on it in the timeline to open the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Here, in the Transform tab, you can adjust the size and position of your waveform overlay to ensure it fits perfectly with your video's look and feel. If you're after a specific style, you can change the appearance by selecting or deselecting the Display as Bars option. When deselected, you'll get a horizontal sound wave, which might better match your video's aesthetic. Now, head over to the Colors tab to customize the visualizer's color scheme. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Change both the inner and outer colors with ease using the HSV picker or input specific hex codes for precision. Finally, to ensure the visualizer matches the timing of your audio, use the trimming handles to adjust its length. A little patience here will make sure your visualizer aligns perfectly with your audio track, giving your video that professional touch. That's it! You've successfully added an audio waveform overlay to your video in Clipchamp. Enjoy the enhanced visual appeal of your creation and share it with the world.